Are you looking for an application that can help you and your team work and design together? Maybe it's time for you to try Figma. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you an explanation on what is Figma and how to use it. So without any further ado, let's just get into it.
Today I want to give you guys
Figma is a cloud-based design application and prototyping tool for our digital project. Figma was created to help its user to collaborate on project and work as a team at the same time anywhere. Although this tool is very similar to other prototyping options such as Sketch, Adobe XD, and others, the main difference is the ability to work as a project team. Until now, even though it has competitors that are no less well known, Figma is still the most suitable option available if you work in a team. So it's not a wonder that Figma is the choice of many people. Let's get to know what Figma is and how the tool can be useful for your project and workflow below. Getting to know what is Figma. Figma is a vector graphic editor and prototyping tool with a web-based and additional offline feature. Enabled by the desktop application for Mac OS and Windows, the Figma Mirror Company application for Android and iOS allow you to view Figma prototype on mobile device. Figma features set focus on use in user interface and user experience, designed with emphasis on real-time collaboration. Simply put, Figma is a digital design and prototyping tool. Is a UI and UX design application that you can use to create website, apps, or smaller user interface component that can be integrated into other projects. With vector-based tool that live in the cloud, Figma allows the user to work anywhere from a browser. It's a zippy tool made for design, prototyping, collaboration, and organizational design system. Compare tools to Figma include Sketch, Adobe XD, Vision, and Framer. Also, like many other tools, Figma is supported by a strong community of designers and developers who share plugins to enhance functionality and speed up workflow. Anyone can contribute and share. Figma is also used by some of the biggest brands including Slack, Twitter, Zoom, Dropbox, and Walgreens. Those names alone suggest that this tool is powerful enough to power almost any project. Now I'm gonna give you the explanation and what is the function of Figma. Getting to know what is Figma feature, function, and how it works and how you use it, Figma is a solid tool with a free package available, which can be which can be tried by anyone working in a digital space. This includes its ability to help designer and their user in the ease of marketing their product of design to client and potential employee. In general, Figma is the most appreciated and used by those who work in more collaborative and active teams. Featuring the advantage of many features, similar project design and prototyping tools do not have the feature and capability like Figma, making Figma the main choice when compared to others. Figma features are proven to save designer time and make project team collaboration run more smoothly. Figma main feature and Figma is a high scalable factor-based in design tool, and how it works include both individual project and large-scale team efforts. Browser-based design is smart enough to save you work when you're on the go, even follow if you lose your internet connection for a while. A modern pen tool that lets you draw in any direction design instant art. Open type font feature. Automatic assignment via plugin for repeating elements to speed up project. Smart selection tool with automatic adjustment for spacing, arrangement, and organization. Okay, that's all from me from explaining how Figma works and what is Figma. And maybe that's all. Goodbye. Arrangement and organization. Flexible method and way to save right for your project. Ability to create design system and component. Accessibility libraries and drag and drop methods. Ability to accommodate unlimited audience at our project so that the entire team progress is shared. Ability to inspect design file and grab code symptom. Easy export feature that has the right link, not just flat PDF. mobile optimized interaction design and prototyping, intelligent animation for connecting object and transition, embedded common ability to co-edit with your team in real time in shared design space, version history that lets you see what changed and who did it. Create a design system with a scratchable assets, style, and shareable design and all in one. And other. Figma use price and packages. Figma has a free and paid packages depending on the volume or amount of your work will do, as well as a premium collaboration feature. Here are the complete Figma pricing detail. For beginner, is free. User who chooses to use this package will get two editor and three project within 30 days version history, as well as an unlimited cloud storage and professional is a $50 per editor per month. User of this professional package will get many benefits, including unlimited project, unlimited version, custom file and user permission, invite-only private project, and shareable team libraries. For organization, $45 per editor per month. As the highest package of all, user of this package are entitled to many confidence, including everything in a professional design system, plus an entire organization, central team, private plugin administration, share font, single sign-on, and also advanced security benefit. In addition to the three type of package above, Figma also offer discount for our new versus month payment, discount and special benefit for its user in a student category. And I'm gonna give you guys a tip and trick how Figma works or use. Getting to know what Figma is, feature, function, and how it works. Given the many advantages of Figma is the best part of Figma is actually harder to show because Figma has managed to bring together many small details, things that we often overlook but actually needed to support work. Here are some tips, tricks, and what you can try to apply if you want to use Figma with your team. In a Figma, a node on a vector can have a many segment attached it, more than just the standard two, the more complex shape, and you can create it with this area called vector network. Figma allow you to quickly import multiply image at once, placing them exactly where you want them. As you move object around the canvas in Figma, you'll see their height and weight reflected in the ruler. Copy SVG code directly from object in Figma and vice versa. You can copy SVG code from the code editor and paste it as a graphic into the Figma canvas. Conclusion and closing Figma will help team create, test, and ship better design from start to finish on their project. Equipped with the design feature and you already love plus unique discovery, like the arc tool and the vector network, Figma help you keeping ideas flowing. Users are not required to install, save, or export. This is the idea and basic of Figma, namely to be good cloud software that does not burden is a user as a browser-based UI UX design application with intelligent design, prototyping, and code generation tools. Currently, Figma can be said to be leading interface design tool in the industry with advanced feature that support team working on every phase on the design process. Maybe that's all from me from the explaining on how Figma works and what is Figma, and maybe that's all. Goodbye.